back with another video. So we can't look at this property, but I guess I don't have too much I can say about this property, but I still want to show you guys this property just to see what people are selling on the market and the different properties that's really out there. And this is like one of the newer ones that came on the market too. So this is the front door coming in. So this is the living room. So they don't have a dining room at all. So this is the kitchen here. Should I say over here? I guess this is the dining room. So this is the living room. And then this is the dining room. And then this is the kitchen. And I'm guessing appliances is included because, like, how are they going to take that out? How are they going to take that out? Only thing they can really take is the fridge, but I guess I'll let you know, like, if it's included. But I got to see if they want this because this, I guess it is on the lower end that they can do upgrades to it. So I guess you can look at the guts of it. Like, this is what it looked like. So you can tell clearly that work has to be done if you plan on living here. So another closet. They have a laundry chute. And this is like one of the bedrooms. This closet here. Like they should refinish the floors if you get it. The patching you have to do. Well, if you look at properties, make sure y'all look at everything. Don't just, you know. They say we have to wear a mask in here, so I have to put my mask on. But make sure y'all look at everything when y'all look at a property. Like, turn all the water on. Make sure the water is working good. I'm not going to say which property, but one of the properties that looked really nice, the hot water didn't even work on it before. But I didn't want to bust the property out or anything. But turn the water on and see what's going on. Like, this is a closet here. I don't know what they're going to say, if they're going to even want this property. It has a lot of storage here, though. That's good. You put all your towels, all your sheets, blankets, all that in there. Then here's another bedroom. So you can clearly see there is stuff that you will have to do. What's this under here? Oh, wow. I think that this whole thing should just come off. If that's what's going to be breaking that glass, I don't know. But don't mind my shoes, y'all. I just want to be in and out of these properties. And then they have a half bath out right outside of this bedroom. So that's really nice. So this is a half bath. And the lights come on by themselves. Oh, wow. I got to get that in my house. So I guess this is more like the master bedroom. They have a ceiling fan here. So I don't know, you guys. Clearly some stuff that has to be worked on here. But I guess I did not want to show it to you guys. Is the basement... No lights in the basement? Oh, it's like the dog, I think. It's like something. I'm not going to be down here too long. I just can't. I'm sorry. Yeah. So it's nice and big, but I don't know if that's an animal or what. But honestly, it's kind of throughout the whole house. It's a good thing we get to wear a mask in here. So let's go see the next one and see if they like that one. Oh, look at this, y'all. I did like that. All right, but look at that. It's a light switch. That's what I like about this house. That's one thing I can say I like about this house. Let me turn these lights off. No, I'm not turning them on. What's this for, the milkman? Yeah, let's go look at the next property, y'all. But I did not want to leave this house. I want you guys to see, like, all the properties that you go into is not, like, perfect. Like, oh, my gosh. No, some of these properties you're going to go into, and you got to really look at it to see, like, what's going on with the property. But I'll see you guys at the next one.